Hello. Welcome to a new Minecraft video. I thought my thing was recording, but it wasn't. So I actually got to the base again. I made my way to the base. Hold on. Okay, guys, I am back. So I think I told you that I went to go back onto it. I'm sorry if the audio is bad. Not joking, actually. If the audio is bad, just tell me. I even added an extra 2 mods, which adds it a bit more like RLcraft, like actually, because it adds like mythological I can't even say it. I know how to say it though. Mythological. Mythology. Mythology creatures, pretty much. I managed to get back home in a safe being of time. It makes it better, cause look, it looks good. Okay, I'm gonna mine some more. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I'm very mad. I wish my house had rooms. That'd be way better. It'd be like less sound everywhere, so I can make real videos. I'm pissed right now. As you can see, you know what I mean. I'm gonna go. What is that? I added 2 more mods. Oh my. Ooh. What? Oh, this is amazing. Look at this. This is cool. What is it? Okay. I'm gonna wait. Hold up. Oh, it's slabs. Is this a grave? It has a chest. Yes, let's do. What is this? When? Oh my! Holy sh! Wait, it goes up to exactly 64. Ooh. Yo! Oh my god. Oh! Wait, can I wear the Wendigo head? That would be amazing. Oh! Yo! I have to go in 3rd person. Yo, that's amazing! Oh my god. Holy macaroni. Oh, yo, that's so cool. My arms don't work though. My arms are weird. Yo! I might even... Oh, I wanna check this dude out. I might shoot you. Sir? Okay, shot. It's loading. Because it's laggy whenever I shoot. Oh, he got him. Hopefully he doesn't attack. Nah, he won't. He's too far away. Tree man, literally. It's so cool! This helmet, though. Oh, wait. Area. Yo, this looks so weird. Okay, I'm gonna go off of this weird perspective. I play with this all the time, though. With the 3rd person. A ton, like, I'm not joking. Wait, what's this called? Item wolf meat, polar bear meat, leather, bone, and bone block. Wait. Wait, that would be perfect for a farm. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, we could have got one more. Okay, more bone, more meal, and more bone. Like, actually, more, if you have more bone, then you can probably make more meal. But, I mean, if you have more bone meal, you can make more meal. Which is actually good. It's getting night. I have to try and survive the night. I'm not gonna adventure near the night, because last time, you know what happened? We got lost, bro. This might crash, because of all the mods. They're kind of mods? Yeah, I guess they are mods. Because they're actual, like, high-tech. Boom, boom. Oh, the Wendigo head looks so weird on my paper doll. Yo, that's so cool. Oh my god. Scary. Okay, I noticed there's a savannah desert over near that way. The mythologicalistic creatures adds, like, I think cockatrice, I think that's like a bird thing, something. Medusa, Wendigo, you know, forklove. What am I saying? I mean, folklore. That's basically how it's spelled, folklore. Here, I'll make this. Boom. Yeah, it's cursed. It doesn't go too good. I'm gonna smash Minecraft. I will. No, that. Okay. That. No, that. I'm gonna get like demonetized for that. That's just. I mean, I'm gonna destroy Minecraft. Okay, that's still bad, but I'm gonna punch Minecraft. Yeah, I'm gonna defeat Minecraft. I'm gonna destroy Minecraft. Okay, that still sounds sus, bro. I'm I can't do this. I can't. I haven't added. Oh my god. Fireworks star? So we can make a firework later? Firework. Oh, I need gunpowder and paper. You can get paper by having bone meal. I mean, what am I saying? You can get paper when you have sugar. I think? I'm not educated in Minecraft much. Yeah, so this will be a short video, sorry. 4.5. This is the 4.5 3.5 episode. Yeah. Mythological creature. That tree man was cool though. And I think, yeah, it must add a tree man. And I also think it adds giant scorpions and kind of dragon. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. So I'm gonna take this stuff anyway. I thought I just seen something. Yeah, I'm gonna get this wood. Oh. Bro, still my paper doll looks so cool. Oh my god, I was mining it with my axe. Not my pickaxe. What the? Bro, wait, there's a husk. How's that Oh my god, I have to get back to base. Bro, there could be things that could kill me. And if I die, I have to... Okay, this makes it way more harder to do anything now. Because if I die, I have to, like, restart. No, not restart. What am I saying? I have to stop for, like, a whole month. I know I'm not really uploading for, like, a whole month, which really doesn't do much. But still, it is a lot because it's forcing me to stop uploading these RLcraft videos for a month. So I can't post for a month, but I am allowed when I don't die. When I'm not dying, when I haven't died in the thing of the month, I'm... Oh my... Yo. What is that? Yo, wait. What is that? Okay, I'm not gonna adventure it at night. There could be like some kind of dragon or something. A dragon attack me, so I'm not gonna. I think it said the cockatrice spawns in. Oh, what is that? It said the cockatrice spawns in areas of in cages usually. I'm pretty sure it said. I don't know. It said something about that. Wait, we can't build a block? Oh my, so I basically collected the stone little slab things for no reason. Soda, I guess. Wait, how did I get this? Oh. Okay, I get it. When is it gonna be? Oh my god, that scared me. When is it gonna be day? That actually kind of looks like a literal tree. Like, what's wrong in this image? Oh, the star just appeared out of nowhere. What? Is it? Wait, was it looking? Oh my god, it is. Yo. Wait, it was like looking around. Hold up. There's something weird scratchy thing. Oh, it's just a broom under my thing. It was like scratching my foot in my sock. That's weird. Kinda sounds weird too. Okay. The first part of that sound was like really weird. I need some light. And remember when I killed that demon? That creepy demon with the knife thing? The spear? I think it's a spear. I don't know. I don't remember. Yeah, I have my wooden crosses. Oh yeah, the empty syringes. I think we can get a villager with that. It's still not day, bro. This is gonna take so long. Okay, I'm gonna pause it until it's day. Actually, I'm gonna... Wow, amazing. Hold on. Okay, I'm back, so you didn't have to wait that long. Okay, I'm gonna adventure that weird, gold thing. I think it's gold. I don't know. It looks like raw gold. Oh, this is it. Okay, we have gold. No, probably not. Yeah, gold. Bag of gold? Gold coin, I think. It said something about, like, booty. Like, treasure. You know what? I mean, gee. Ooh! Oh my god. Oh my god. Whoa, 64! Oh my god. I'm rich. I'm literally rich right now. Oh my. Wait, I'm kind of being greedy. I mean, oh yeah, the savannah, or whatever it's called. Here, I'll take out my gun. Oh, you scared me. Oh, is that the? It's a cage. Does it have the cockatrice? Are you allowed? Are you gonna kill me? I seen in Linux's video you sent out little beams to kill him. Will you kill me with beams? Will you? I have a question. Hey, why are you ignoring my question? Hey, you. Yo, I jumped. Oh my god, wait, is that? Oh, it is. Okay. I was like, wait, is that possible? Hello? Are you? Bruh, it's not gonna attack me. It's safe. Wait, no way. Hello. I wanna bring it. Oh, don't I have leads? Oh my god, bro. Wait, I have like... Okay, never mind. Yo. I need food. Gimme. Let me lead you. Leash. Oh my god. You want food? No. I need food. You can have the crumbs. Oh, this? Come back. I need to collect this stuff. Hello, ant. Are you gonna eat that ant? healthy. Actually, it is healthy for birds. Okay, I don't want to leash you. Oh, I can. Oh my god. I almost hit you. Bro, you have to be careful when you go in front of me, okay? Jeez. I don't want to accidentally hit you and kill you because you're perfect. I actually hit you by accident before. No. I was testing if you're a good guy. Hold on, let me just pause this for a second. Okay, I'm back. We have to get this stuff again, I guess. Hello? Oh, a goat. Hello. I'll keep taking this. I won't take all of it. Actually, yes, I will. No, I won't. It's kind of being greedy. I mean, it's Minecraft, so. Hello. Oh, this is awesome! I love the way it walks. It just goes like, bow, bow, bow. Bah. Oh my, the tail animation, though. Yo, this is crazy. A beehive? What the? Oh. It was kind of weird. Don't you dare attack my friend. It's my only friend that I have right now. Okay, come with me. If I lose you... Okay. If I actually lose you, bro, I will die. Yeah, you follow me. Well, you have to follow me since I led you. I leaded you. I led you. Yes, I led you. I led you, Berlobo. Okay, let's keep going. Come on. This title for this video is gonna be I found a cockatrice. No. RLcraft part 4, I found a cockatrice. It's now my pet, yeah. Okay. Awesome, bro. This is amazing. I love this. This is such a cool mod. I'm never gonna... Please tell me that was you. Please tell me that was you. No, you make that noise. You don't make like... Oh my god. Big log. It's the textures. They're really weird. They're cursed. Not in bad way. Okay, hold up. Come this way. Okay, I'll lead you right here. You stay there. Come on. No, what do you do? Don't come back down, bro. Go down. I can't have you up there. Sorry if I hit you. If I will hit you. I actually don't mean to. Other way. No, other way. Yes. Move that way. So I don't accidentally hit you. Oh, you're in the way. No! Oh my god, I almost hit you. Bro, go back up. Go down. Boom. What the? There's something wrong with you. Probably. Don't know. I don't want to hit you. Oh, yes, that's perfect. I really don't want to hit you, bro. It's so dangerous if I hit you. I might accidentally kill you. Accidentally. Tully? Okay. I'm short on some logs. I'm keeping you in here, bro. I'm sorry. I'm gonna grab these since they're kind of useless. Not gonna lie. Just to barricade it more. I'm sorry, bro. You have to stay in here. It's really raggedy. I mean, it works. So, you know. Okay. Why was I using my pickaxe? Okay, that, what? Should I let you into my base? No. I'll open this part, since I need more logs, anyway. I don't want you to, like, jump out or fly out, because you're, like, lizard flying beast titan. Oh wait, this is perfect for this. The logs, the tree log. Dude, is that a bird? No. It's a dick? No. I don't know. Hello. You're beautiful. I love you. That not in a in a friend relationship. You're amazing. I want to have you as my servant. Yes. Ooh. Okay. Wait. Oh no. Never mind. Yo. Okay, dude, I'm gonna give you so much of this gold. You'll come not believe it. No, it's going. Ooh, what? Wait. Hey, that's cool. Gold knight helmet. Oh! Gotta add it, bro. Boom. It's probably... It went on the ground, didn't it? Oh, yeah, it did. But I'm gonna put all the useless stuff here. Hey. Oh, okay, I couldn't make it because it was invading my inventory. Yo, I have so much meat. Infinite power of meat. Okay, I'll keep that. I'll put the gold. Oh my. Yo, I've so much right now. No, wait. This, how in the world all. Okay, I'm gonna end the video soon once I make this golden helmet. It's amazing. Okay, I'll put the... Oh, lag. Hold on. Okay, I'll put the hat. Ooh, that looks cool. Okay. Yeah, it's the new more armor thing mod. Yeah, it adds these kind of things. The little Dane axe. I don't think... Oh yeah, definitely that. Yeah. That's a ton of things. It's super cool too. To what? No. I said it's super cool too. I mean also. So I will see you in the next video. This dude is amazing. I love him. I'm suited up, ready to go adventure over that area in the savannah. I'm gonna add realism mod. Realism mod is like so it's more realistic with warmness, and it doesn't just tell you in chat how much warmness you have. It actually tells you in the bar, like right here. It's not the exact same of RLcraft. So I think it has like blue line right here, and then like maybe the weird thingy right here. It's super cool. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. This is so amazing. I love this. This is just so amazing.